All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Thank you to each and every one of you guys for tuning in, on a day-to-day basis. Appreciate you guys more than you know it. Continue supporting, and you will continue to see these updates that I bring you guys, on a day-to-day basis. So you guys know, you guys are looking at the title, exactly what we're going to be discussing. We're going to be talking about our good old friend Cardano, see what is happening with the price of ADA, and of course, what we could be expecting. I know I see the question on a single daily basis, and the question that I get on a day-to-day basis is, when in the world is the price of Cardano going to hit $1 price point? And generally speaking, these are people that are very new to the markets, that don't really understand how this market really moves, especially the people that have seen a meme coin mania, that have actually been through one meme coin mania so early on. Now especially the newcomers are hooked on, completely hooked on, because let's face it, I've been through the entire process. I've seen massive spikes, and you just get hooked onto the momentum, and you just cannot accept anything else besides that. So you need to understand, meme coins are completely different. Strong projects that bring utility and have strong fundamentals, those are on another side. And as of now, meme coin market definitely is popping off, but you cannot make the same statement for projects with the likes of VeChain, the likes of Sol, the likes of Cardano. So that's something that you need to accept. But the way Cardano is holding right now is worthwhile noting, and of course, when I pull out the charts, it will make sense. But if we're looking at the price of Cardano today, 73.7 cents. Down about 0.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 1.7% in Bitcoin comparative. The reason as to why we're down more in Bitcoin comparative is because, let's face it, BTC is close towards its all-time highs, and that is to be expected. More momentum on the Bitcoin side, despite the fact that BTC dominance isn't close to its yearly high. So very interesting things happening. But the most interesting thing that you want to note is the fact that the market cap for ADA is holding above $25 billion. So to be exact, you could pretty much say 26 billion. We're just shy of about 26 billion in terms of market cap, but definitely the 24-hour trading volume has decreased over the past few hours. We're looking at about a $500 million above that. So that is something that will increase organically. I'm not too worried about that, but the way ADA is holding, that is what's worthwhile noting. And of course, as you go further, you will see what I mean. But before I do get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So about 6 hours ago, I asked the community, which is you guys, I was supposed to say is, not if. So the question was, is your portfolio at an all-time high yet or no? And for the ADA holders, I'm sure there's a lot of people that just don't generally hold ADA. They hold other coins in their portfolio as well. As far as ADA is concerned, it's no secret that it's nowhere near its all-time high as of now. But do let me know in the comments down below where you are currently in terms of your entire portfolio. Is it close to all-time high? Is it at an all-time high, or is it not even close? That's what I want to know. Kind of just want to get an idea as to what really is happening for a lot of people right now throughout the space. So that's that. But if you're looking at the price of BTC right now, so dominance is obviously sitting at around 53.5%. BTC, look at it, very, very nice stuff you're seeing here. Let's actually give it a closer look. So let me actually go on to the hourly time frame, because I didn't really get to discuss BTC on a closer time scale today, so we will get that done on the ADA update hourly. There you are. So guys, look at this. Look at this. The way BTC is holding after hitting a new all-time high at $70,000, which was just 2 days back. We're holding really, really strong around these levels. So at this point, we could see a push any second. Even in the next 20-30 minutes, I would not be surprised if we were to even see a push. Obviously, it's really late out here, but that's how close Bitcoin actually is towards an all-time high. If you want to put this into perspective, we're looking at only a move of about less than 1%. Less than 1%. And once we get into the price discovery mode, actually, I think this is where things are really going to get exciting. At this point, you wouldn't even really say that, there's any bears left. Bears have completely been wrecked. Their last life support is pretty much to actually keep the price of BTC, below 70K mark, which they already failed at doing. So, you did see BTC testing 70K just 2 days back. So, so far so good. The entire market is looking mega bullish at this point. No one, is going to deny that fact. And, BTC is not showing any signs of slowing down as well. But now let's go into our good old friend ADA's price. So what exactly is happening with ADA? I know, I read the comments, Crypto ZX, why has it not hit $1? And there are some people that want to completely cash out at $1 and just move on. And if that's what you want to do, kudos to you. At the end of the day, I can't tell you what you need to be doing. But that's that. But I think once it's able to cross the $1 price point, fireworks can really begin, because again, $1 is a psychological price point, as we know. But let's look into it on the hourly time frame. This is what you want to be looking at. So pay attention to this. Now you guys might be a little confused. You guys might be like, Crypto ZX, come on, explain to us. So that's what I will do. So we are just pretty much going to look into when we actually got into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level once again. And that was on the 29th, okay? Now keep that a date in mind. Since then, you can pretty much see this upward trend that was forming. You see this? Look at this upward trend formation. And obviously, this entire upwards trend formation was invalidated completely. No secret at this point. We went all the way down, retested 58.9 cents support, which was a huge resistance at one point, and bounced back up. So this invalidated everything, but if you are paying sole attention to this, you're doing something wrong. The entire crypto market, had a massive pullback at this level. Why was that the case? Because BTC saw a flash pullback after hitting a yearly high. And that is to be expected. That is to be expected. And if you want to see the recovery it made right after that, you're looking at a 30% increase. So you need to keep this in mind. This is why we take a look at Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. Bitcoin is the king of the markets. It's, everything is correlated to it. So everything is going to react to Bitcoin's move, especially even in the negative times when we do tend to see manipulation. And that's what we saw happen. But what I'm trying to say is the way it's holding over the past few days above the 78.6. Remember how hard it was to get back in the 78.6 pretty much throughout the last, you could say, 2 years. If I were to give you guys a little bit of an indication, we haven't tested the 78.6 zone literally since when was the last time? Pretty much May 30th of 2022. So this should be noted. I know a lot of people don't tend to note this. This is what you want to be looking at. And I'm loving what I'm seeing right now. Obviously, we do have some resistance as well, which again is at 76 cents. If that is able to cross out, yes, the targets are the same. I do think we will break out towards 90 cents next. And obviously then after that, the dollar resistance main one. And this is where the real fireworks will begin. As of now, that's how I'm currently taking a look at. Overall, I'm really impressed the way Cardano is holding. A lot of people might not really understand this, but now if you look at it on the shorter time scale as to what I've really shared with you guys, people will start to understand what exactly I mean. So far so good. I'm loving what I'm seeing. We're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.